Hi, good evening, Jack. I hope you have had a great Sunday. Thank you so much for helping me with this. So let me quickly give you a video walkthrough. The title, crypto blogs. Load from a template, no. Article, yes, yes, yes. Keywords, none. Then please, when you come to this place, click add multiple articles at once, and then please click or copy and paste, copy all 10 in this batch A and then paste here. I wouldn't actually go ahead with this because I fear they may be tracking my actions, so I'll play on the safer side of things. Alright, so here what counts: 150 standard level. Alright, so brief project instructions. Yeah, so think this could be anything. No. Let's just leave this aside. So this is the most important thing here: submit project to specific iWriters. So you start typing or copy and paste. My ID is Raven Roots and click. Nah, this is not it. Yes. Okay. I'm on track. Alright, so please reserve for 5 days, confirm order, and then please order. You will have to please save as a template, so when we do for the remainder of the gigs, we wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel. Alright, thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. Bye bye.